So now I am about to share with you my secret on how I hide my muffin top, how I make my butt look perfect without dimples and cellulite. I'm going to give you guys the secret right now. This material is so thick, and that's what you want when you have a tight dress on. You want everything to be sucked in. So I have less than an hour to hop in the shower, finish my makeup, and I have to meet somebody by 7:30 to drop off some products to them. And that's the thing, if you live in LA and you're close by, and you don't want to pay for shipping, I will meet you. But I want to meet them exactly at 7:30. Then I need to come home and I have these products right here that I need to, we can't really see. I have these products right here that I need to review. I wanted to do that before I had to leave the house, so I won't have to feel rushed. But I just got done editing and uploading a video. If you guys have not checked it out, I'll put the link in the description box. It was a review on a waist trainer, and the waist trainer and everything. So yeah, today's been a very productive day. So very productive. So now I have to finish this makeup, and then tonight around 9 o'clock I'm supposed to have a date. So it's like I'm going to be really rushing through everything to get everything done. So I'm finally dressed, took my shower, and I have about 15 minutes to kill. I'm so proud of myself. Like, I did that. I'm about to share with you my secrets on what I wear under all my dresses, because you guys know that I am known for wearing tight dresses. Well, if you guys are new to my channel, you don't. But I am known for wearing real tight dresses. I love bodycon dresses and simple dresses. That's my thing. That's just me. So I'm about to share with you the perfect product that every girl needs in her closet. And it is from Look She's Pretty. I'm going to share with you the product. And this is it. And it is a body shaper. You want this to hug your body. I got this in size large. And look how it is for your butt. So this is going to rise your booty, make it all cute and whatever. So I'm going to try it on right now. This is so tight, but you want it tight when you wear a tight dress. That's how it is. How the back is. It's really hugging my body. Okay, so let's put on the dress. So amazing. It's seamless too, guys. So that is it. That is my secret on what I wear under my dresses.